One of the biggest struggles of being a cat parent seems to be car rides. Am I right? I'm going to share step-by-step solutions that have worked for us by really being proactive as cat parents to create a cohesive environment before travel actually happens. I have 6 basic steps for you. Get your pen and paper. A little back history first. In 2017, we took our first drive across the country with our cats. We were actually moving to Arizona for a while to sort of try it on and see how we liked living in our favorite vacation destination. Before we even had a rental secured or a date set to leave, we started preparing the cats so it wouldn't be so stressful on them or us. The most important thing that you can do to get started is with carrier training. Get down on the floor with the cat and play with the cat. Throw a toy in the carrier or a treat or some catnip, anything with positive association. Step 2, train your cat to get into the carrier on command.
Come on. In. In.
Yes, it is possible.
In. Come on. Let's go. In. Good girl.
In fact, it makes things so much easier when you're in a hurry to leave the house or a hotel. But full disclosure, we did not have this mastered before our first road trip, but we at least got the process started and stayed consistent with it. Once your cat is at ease with the carrier, you're ready for step 3. Walk around the house with your cat inside the carrier, and eventually you can do this outside in the yard too and get them used to the noises. If that goes well, take your cat for a quick walk in the neighborhood. Make these events quick and gradually build up over time, and if you notice your cat is stressed, maybe give it some more time and back off a little bit. It's important to build your cat's trust little by little because it can take a lot more time to build it back up again. Now you're ready for step 4. Go hang out in your vehicle with the cat, but don't go anywhere. I definitely recommend transporting your cat into the vehicle with the carrier. Even if you have an attached garage, you'll want to do this for the sake of routine. We usually bring our phone with us so that we can catch up on phone calls and emails or scroll through social media and make it a fun experience for them so that they'll get excited about being in the vehicle next time. Our cats have actually grown to love being in our SUV. In fact, one of them loves it so much that David will let her hang out in it while he washes and waxes the outside of it. She loves to watch him, it's so cute. That tells me that she is long overdue for a road trip, and quite frankly, so am I. Before you go on a road trip, you'll definitely want to cross step 5 off your list. Create a portable litter box situation and introduce your cats to it. Cats are pretty intuitive when it comes to litter boxes, but we do plop them inside of one in a new situation so that they can become familiar with it. We have a portable litter box ready to go at all times, especially for longer trips, and you can see that set up in my last video. I'll leave the link in the description section of this video for you to watch right after this one. But first, let's cover step 6. Take a mini trip. We started out with quick trips to the post office to drop off the mail. We've also taken our cats to drive around and look at Christmas lights in the neighborhood at night, and they actually enjoyed it. We never leave them in the car to go into the store unless someone else is in the car that can stay with them. When you're practicing these steps, please don't overwhelm your cats with doing too much at once. And avoid stressing them out by moving too fast through these steps. Each cat has a different personality and comfort level, and you want to keep your cat's trust through this process, especially if your cat is new to the family and still unsure of his or her surroundings. Cats always respond best to positive reinforcement and consistency. This video is 100% based on our own personal experience, and your results may vary. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more. I'd also love to read your thoughts in the YouTube comment section of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.